With ActronSelect, finding the right HVAC solution for your project is easier than ever. This video will show you just how easy making a selection is, providing you with the best fit for your project in 5 minutes or less. When you sign in, you will open on the Projects page. To get going, simply press the Add Project button. The next step is to complete the fields by entering all of the important details, starting with your client's information. Next, complete the design conditions for your project. You can choose from a range of preset options, or simply enter the details as you wish. Once that's done, press Select Units to move on to the equipment selection. From this page, you are able to select all the different units you need for your project. To start, simply press Create Unit. This opens the equipment selection page for that individual unit. Start by selecting the type of system you're looking for. Next, enter all of the specific system requirements needed for your project. Once all the information is entered, press Search for Units. This will present you with all of the different selections that meet your needs. Each result includes a summary of the unit's performance data, which you can compare against the unit requirements summary in the top left. The different options are shown in order of those that most meet your capacity requirements. Once you've found the product that best fits your needs, simply press Add to Project. Now click Save and Return to go back to the Select Units page, where you can add the next unit you need for your project. And should you need to, at any time you can press View Report to view the project summary report, which details the technical information on all the units selected to your project. And there you have it, all done in under 5 minutes. ActronSelect. HVAC selections made easy.